I don't know which police station they're taking me. You know what these people, you never know.
You're going to surrender to them?
Yeah, I'm just going to put on socks and a jacket because of my arthritis. Listen, long story short, I was going to surrender. I confirmed that with you 5 minutes ago. Okay? I just said we want to go to court tomorrow to test the validity of this business. Right? They couldn't wait for that because they got lots to hide. I mean, there it is. They're not supposed to be on this premises. They know this. These people have no respect for law. I don't think South Africa understands the trouble that you're in. You have policemen acting with impunity. These people have torn up the Constitution. Who's got the warrant? The PKTT. I don't know who the PKTT are. They walk with masks. I've seen these policemen walk in now and told me, we need to come with you. I said, okay, cool. Just let me go put on socks and a jacket. They said, you're going to run away? I said, no, sir, I won't run. I haven't been running since day one. I've not been running. But they don't belong here. But they don't care. Cape Town High Court, my lawyers will relay all of the relevant news to you guys. Please be there because this is going to be epic. I'm actually quite excited about the trip, but not in the back of the van. I haven't been to KZN in months, but anyway, let's go. With an AK-47 purchased with the proceeds of crime intelligence, this is a confirmed fact. The head of crime intelligence is Dumisani Kumalo. The person leading this investigation right here is Dumisani Kumalo. The person who signed off for the funds for this operation is Dumisani Kumalo. Dumisani Kumalo is in court on cases on charges of fraud and corruption because of charges.